Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, October 5, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Thursday, October 5, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Thursday, October 5, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, October 5, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 21 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 105 million pesos for October 5, 2023, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, October 5, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.